Now first of all, we have to create a rough sketch. Use a hard pencil to create a light sketch on your subject. You can do this directly onto the canvas or onto tracing paper and transfer it using a carbon copy also. All required materials I mentioned in the description box, that are oil color, brushes like round or flat, color palette, linseed oil, turpentine oil and painting surface. Whatever you want to take, like canvas or paper, that is all both fine. This video is about beautiful expressive painting with oil color. Here I am sharing some basics to guide you into the wonderful world of oil paints. Once you have mastered the basic techniques, the world is your canvas. Composition is the placement of items on the canvas. Choose the best placement so that the eye is drawn around the entirety of the canvas rather than a single spot. Then find the light source. That is very important. To create a realistic painting, you must have obvious patches of light and dark. Look at your subject and determine that the angle at which the light is coming from and where shadows and highlights are located. Now the next thing is that you have to do that, consider your colors. For new painters, it is very difficult to match the colors of their subjects to the colors they mix with their paint. On a bright sunny day, your subject will have a golden glow. On a grey day, the light is diffused through the clouds, giving your subject a grey tints. You may also have actual colored such as neon signs or tinted light bulbs that affect the colors of your subject. Oil paints is extremely forgiving in the sense that it takes many days to begin to dry. To make tone, add white to shade any color with black added. Tones are the most widely used as they represent most of the everyday color we see. Use the thin to thick method, as which you paint with thin paint before using thick paint. To thin your paint, use blending medium like linseed oil or turpentine. Mix with your paint. Painting takes 3 days or 4 days to get dry enough to add a second layer to the top. Try different techniques. Try blending your paints with brush or some other substitute you can take, like you can take some brushes or you can take some cotton buds, you can take some scrub or something which can create the texture. So try different techniques to create the textures. Then try blending your paints. It is very much required sometimes to blend the canvas properly with the color. try for the base blending with your paint. Try creating glass, and now you can create glass with this. If you want to make like transparent oil color, you can mix 1/3 of turpentine oil. You can use 1/3 of linseed oil. Use stippling to create a small dots. So then there sometimes you need small areas to color with it. So this technique, when stippling to create small dots, are very important. Try using palette knife to paint. Sometimes knife also gives very beautiful look to the painting. So we might use sometimes knife instead of brush to paint the canvas. So I think this is enough for today's video. For the next video, I'll make some beautiful content to share with you all. Take care. Thank you for watching.